Yeah, good morning, everyone. So I want to do the training on how to use system to scout Shopify email list. Now, if you want to scout Shopify email list, firstly you need to have your email list available. After having your email list available, so the tools you need, the first tools you need tiny task. So those are the tools you need. Then after tiny task, that's one. Another tools you need is lightning autofill. This is it. Lightning autofill. That's two tools now. Then another one you need is you need notepad. Notepad. Notepad is on your PC already. So when we get there, I will explain better. So you need those three tools. And also you also need the Gmail you want to be using for scouting and the emails you want to scout, and you need content that you want to use for the scouting. So now after having all those, so now the first thing you are going to do now is go to your browser. If you are using Chrome, Brave, anyone you are using. So the first tools I mentioned, which is Tiny Task, you search it on your browser. Tiny Task, you search it and you download the app to your PC. So this is it here. Òun leleyi. So you click on it, click on tiny task. Tẹ́ bá ti click ẹ̀ báyẹn, ó máa gbé yín wá sí ibí báyìí. It will bring you here. So once you get here, you see download at the top here. So click on this download. After you click on the download, it will take you to this area. So in this area, you come here, you see version as then zip. The one you will download is the version you will download is 1.77 version, which is this first one. Then my download, not zip it's under this as so 1.77 first one you click on it. So after you click on it, although I already have the tiny task on my PC already, mo ti ní lórí PC mi tẹ́lẹ̀, so I won't be downloading it again. But once you click on this download, it will download to your PC. After it's download, then you install it to your PC. So after installing it, you leave it first. Then after you have downloaded the tiny task, then the second thing you will do now is the lightning autofill. You search for lightning autofill. This is it. This one is an extension, not app. It's an extension. So you download the extension to your browser. If it is Chrome, you can see it. Once I already have it on my browser already. I already have it on my browser. So let's assume if since you don't have it before, when you get here, it will ask you to add. Then you add to Brave or Chrome. Then you add the extension. After you add it finish, then you pin it. So let me remove the one I have before so that I will be able to explain better. So I will remove it, then I add it again. This is it already. But let me remove it. So I'll remove it now. Once you get here, click on add to Brave. When you click on add to Brave, then you add the extension. After adding the lightning autofill extension, after it has let it add it, adding. So tó bá ti add tán, nǹkan tó kù tẹ́ máa ṣe ni pé you pin it to this top bar. So you pin it there. So let's wait for a few seconds. So it has download. So you click on here. This is it. Lightning autofill. Then you pin it. So after you have pinned it, then after you have pinned the lightning autofill, then you click on this. So now I made mention that you should have the content you want to use to scout the emails. That you have your first time message, which is your reach out message. Then you have subjects for it because you'll be using up Gmail to Scout. Now we have already had the lightning auto fill. We still come back to it, how to use it later. So now we have our tiny task, you have downloaded it. So you can pin it. You can pin tiny task to your taskbar. You can see this is my own. I've already pinned it already. So you have downloaded tiny task and added the lightning auto fill. Then the next thing is that you now open the Gmail you want to use for scouting. So let me open the Gmail on this browser. So you open the Gmail you want to use for scouting. Then you go and add your content to your signature. Content tẹ́ fẹ́ fi scout ẹ máa lọ add ẹ̀ síbi system signature lórí Gmail yín. You all know you should know how to do that, but let me just talk about it as well. So you come after you enter your Gmail, you come to here, you come to settings. These settings at the top. You click on the settings. So after you click on the settings, so the Gmail is still loading. Why the network slow like this? So after you click on these settings, you see all settings. Click on see all settings. So after you click on see all settings, so after you click on see all settings, it take you here. Then you scroll down, you find signature. I already had some signature already. You can see I've added some signature here already. So this is the Gmail you want to and the content I'm using for this Gmail. So once you already have the content you want to use, what you just have to do is let me copy it and recreate. So assuming you have not created any signature before, you just click on create signature. This is it. You click on it, then you name your signature. Maybe my reach out message. So my reach out message, then you click on create. So you paste your message here, the message you want to be using to scout. Message tẹ́ ẹ máa fi scout, ẹ máa paste ẹ̀ síbí. Tẹ́ bá ti paste ẹ̀ síbẹ̀, then ẹ máa wá síbí báyìí níbi signature default yìí. Ẹ máa mú message tẹ́ ẹ add yẹn tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ máa fi scout yẹn, ẹ máa select ẹ̀, ó máa wà ńbẹ̀. Then ẹ máa make sure kíní yìí ó lè wà báyìí kó jẹ́ pé ó wà empty kó má wà mark. Then you mark it so that kò ní máa sí space níbi message yìí, then ẹ dẹ̀ máa save ẹ̀. So you save it, save changes. So after you have saved it, you are done with that. You have added your signature. Then you now go back to your lightning autofill. This one we had here. You just click on this extension stuff. Then you go to use lightning autofill. It's not that you click on, don't click on it. Just click on these three dots beside it. After click on it, click on all these options. You see options on lightning autofill. So after that you click the options, it will open this for you. So now what you want to do here is that you want to add your subject line. You can see if you check your Gmail, tẹ́ bá click compose, if you click on compose, you can see that the message we had on lele. This is the message we had we want to use for scout, but there is no subject here. So instead of you to be adding subjects manually, so the subject line that you want to appear here, so that's what you will add in this lightning autofill. So once you get to lightning autofill, you click on that three dot, it will bring you here. Then you click on this sample address, click on it and you select unfiled. This unfiled, select it. After you select it, click on this plus. Click on this plus, it will bring you this one. You see name, value. So this name you write subject to indicate that what you want to add there is your subject. Then the subject line you want to be using for that email, you paste it here. So let me check for a subject line. So any subject line that is related that I want to be using for that scouting, you paste it in that place. Tivalu wine. So let me copy one of subject line. Let's assume this is the subject line I want to use. So you paste it. This is the subject line. So this one will appear in the Gmail as the subject. After you have done this, after you have pasted it here, then you click on save. You can see save. So after you save, the option will be saved. Then you go back to your Gmail. You can see that it has not appeared yet. So you need to reload your Gmail. So you reload your Gmail. After reloading it, then you check, it will appear like that. So let's wait for the Gmail to reload. I hope you are enjoying the training. So let's sit tight and get it going. Money must be made. So after the Gmail has reload, so you now check if it has show or not. So the Gmail is still loading. Ogbeni load fast jare. So after the Gmail don load finish, wetin you go come do now be say you now click on this compose, this to check if the what we added is now working. So you click on this compose. After you click on compose, so you click on compose. You can see that the subject line has appeared. What you pasted in that light note to fill, it has appeared in our subject line. And so the content is ready, subject line is ready now. So let's proceed. After that, the next thing you now need to do is that you go to your system, you search for notepad on your PC. So this is notepad. You open it. So after you open your notepad, so the email you want to scout, you paste it in your notepad. So let me find Gmail that I want to scout. So let me open it. So anywhere you paste your email, maybe you have it in Excel, you have it anywhere. So you go and copy the emails you want to scout and paste it in your notepad. So I'm trying to open another browser to copy the Gmail, the emails I want to scout. So I have some in Google Sheets. So let me just copy few emails here. So which country should we go for? The I say na Malaysia we go go. Not this one. I've not extract this one yet. So let me check the one I have extracted already. Wait. So sorry, I'm trying to find email list that I can copy. So anywhere you save your email list, you go and find them. You copy any amount. Áńgẹ́lì kan máa lé mi lámẹ́dà. Nígbà tó bá fẹ́ rú mi, consider lucky. So let me open this one. Ìlàyí ọba tó dá mi. Alhamdulillah. Praise be to God, no matter your condition. Forget. So this is the email list I want to copy. So let's copy some of them. So let's assume I want to copy, let me copy like 1,000 email list. Or let me just copy few since it's just a train. So you can copy any amount to the notepad. So you can copy all your list and paste it so that you won't be copy every time. Just copy everything at once. So let me just copy like few of them here. So let's assume these are copied to like 200. So you now go to your notepad here. So the email you copy, you paste it in your notepad. So after you paste it in your notepad, so this is notepad. So you now go back to the browser that you are using. So let's go back to the browser we are using for Scout. I want to use. So this is the browser we are using before. So now after you have set, you have pasted your emails in the, what does it call it, in the notepad, then you now drag, so you open your tiny task, the tiny task you downloaded before. You come here, you search for it in your, it's already in your system and you have installed it. So you just come here, search for tiny task. When you search for tiny task, this is it. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will display. So this tiny task, Atakere Yodun. So òun leléyìí. So after you have done, so you can pin this tiny task to your taskbar here like this, and you can pin your notepad too to your taskbar so that anytime you need it, you just open it like that. So after you have opened your notepad, you have opened your tiny task. So this is the Gmail you want to use to Scout. What we now do next is that you now drag this browser, this entire browser, you drag it like this. It will stay like this. And you can see, you minimize it. So it will be like this. Your notepad will be here, your tiny task will be here, your Gmail you want to use to Scout will be here. So you understand? So after you have done that, then you now start working. So how do you start working? You can see the tiny task. We have open, we have save, we have record, we have play, we have else, then we have fix. So the first thing you do here is click on this record. After you click on this record, you click on it, then you carry your mouse to the notepad, go to the first email, the second email, put your mouse at the back of the second email, then click it and drag it up so that it will highlight the first email. Then you now click on Control X, not S, X. That way you get like two line. Control plus X so that it will copy it well. Don't if you, so then after you have done that, you click on compose. So you carry your mouse, go to the Gmail you want you to Scout, click on the compose. After you click on the compose, it will bring this one for you to compose a message. Then you paste the email you copy, you paste it here with Control V. You just click on Control V and it will paste. You can see the email as paste. Then you do what? You send it. So it has sent like that. Then you come here, you stop the recording. Do you get? So let me do it one more time. So once you open your Gmail that you want to use to Scout, your notepad and your tiny task, then you now come to tiny task, click on this record. You can see record here. After you click on it, then you carry your mouse, come to the notepad, the second email here, put your mouse at the back, click it and drag it up. You click it and double click and drag it up so that it will highlight the first one. Then you now click on Control X to copy and clear. So after Ctrl S, then you now come to here, bring your mouse and click on this compose in Gmail. After you click on this compose in Gmail, it will bring where you can compose a message. As it has bring this for you that you should compose a message. Then the email you copy, you paste it with Ctrl V. You click on Ctrl V, you paste it. Tẹ́ bá ti wá paste ẹ̀ tán báyẹn, then you click on send. Ẹ máa send ẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti send ẹ̀, ẹ máa wá sí ibí báyìí, ẹ máa pause record yẹn. After you pause it, you now come to deep prefs tó dàbí spanner yìí. Click on it. So you can see here play speed, àti speed tẹ́ fẹ́ kí kíní yẹn fi máa ṣiṣẹ́. Eléyìí tọ̀dọ̀ mi wà ní 2 times. So tí PC yín bá fast dáadáa, ẹ lè fi sí 2 times báyẹn. But tí PC yín bá slow, you can set it to like 4x or 5x. Ṣé you understand? What you just have to do, come to set custom speed yìí. Iye speed tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lò bóyá 4, 5, 6 depending on how fast your PC or slow it is. So but my own is in 2x yìí ló wà. So after you have done that, you now come back again, set playback loops yìí, you click on this. So iye Gmail tẹ́ fẹ́ kó scout, that is the amount of Gmails you want it to scout, you write it here. If it is 50 you want it to scout, you write it. If it is 100, you write it. So let me just put 10 so that since let me put 5 because of time. Since it's just training. So if you want to do your own, you can put more than that depending on the amount of email you want it to scout. So I put 5, then you click OK. After doing that, you now come to play in tiny task. Click on it. So nǹkan tẹ́ record yẹn, ó máa wá play rẹ̀, ó máa ṣiṣẹ́. That is what you record. That's what you want to play for it to be working. So let's click on play. After you click on play, just leave it. It will start working by itself. So nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, òun náà máa ṣe báyìí. You can see it has copied the emails you want to scout. Then you come here. Ẹ rí pé ó ti wá síbi Gmail, ó ti click compose, but it seems the network is somehow slow. Shit man, network yẹn slow. So let me do it again. The network is slow. So let me try it again. So click on record, then highlight, Ctrl X, come here, compose. After clicking on compose, this thing is slow now. Oya kí kíní tètè máa jáde. So you paste the Gmail you copy, you paste it here. Then after pasting it, you send it. So if your network is somehow slow, the thing will be slow as well, kò ní fast. That's why I do it again. So to copy báyẹn. Tí network yẹn bá fast, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe click compose yẹn, ó máa gbé jáde wá lọ́wọ́ kan. This thing, let me use another Gmail. So let me try it on another Gmail here. Let me open another Gmail to use. So let's use the Gmail here. But it's still the same process you follow. It's still the same thing. So if you want to use another Gmail, you follow the same process. You don't need to download Tiny Task again. So any browser you want to use to scout, you add that lightning autofill. You can see I have it here as well. So you add it and set it the way you set the first one. But that Gmail, it seems it's somehow slow. So let me use this one so that we understand more better. So we drag it just the way we drag that first one. So you can see we have dragged it. This one already has the contents already. So this is the tiny task and this is the notepad. This is the Gmail we want to use. So let's wait for the Gmail to finish loading. So the way I explained, click on record, come here, Ctrl X, then click on compose. Ẹ rí pé eléyìí tètè wá ń tiẹ̀. It comes on time, then you Ctrl V, paste, then you send. If you want to copy, don't use normal way you used to copy. like Control C, or when you right click, just use Control X. Because if you use Control C, it will copy but it won't clear, kò ní clear. Shey you get? But if you use Control X, it will copy and clear. Shey you understand? So after you have done that, then you play it. So let's play this one and see how it works. This one should be more better. You can see this one work fine. So it has pasted it, then it send it. So ìyẹn ti lọ báyẹn. So it copy another one. So number tẹ set lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, any amount you set until it copy and send those one. Tẹ bá wo kiní ẹ máa rí pé 3 out of 5 ó ti ṣe méjì báyẹn, ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe yìí. So bó ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn. That's how it will be doing it till it reach the limit you give it. If it is 50 you set, or 100, until you reach that amount before it will stop. Ṣé you understand? But tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ rí pé bó ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ yìí ó wá ń show error, like kò ṣiṣẹ́ bó ṣe yẹ kó ṣiṣẹ́, ẹ wá fẹ́ stop ẹ̀, because ẹ lè stop ẹ̀ báyẹn unless it stop by itself. But there is a trick you can use to stop it. If you want to stop it, you make sure you target it. Tó bá ti débi record yẹn báyẹn, ibi record yìí, ẹ kàn máa play rẹ̀, ẹ máa tẹ mouse yín pam, ó máa stop. So that's way you can use to stop it. So that's how to do the auto scout. So let me do it one more time again. Click on record, Ctrl X, compose, then Ctrl V to paste, then you send. After sending, you stop it, then you play, you set the amount you want it to scout. That's then after that you play it and you start working. So with that, you can use it on different Gmails. So let's assume you have a lot of browser and you have Gmails on different browser like this. So you have autofill on the lightning autofill. This lightning autofill, you have it on all the browsers. Then you set your subjects, set your contents and that. So that's that on that. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you for today. We shall all meet at the top. Applause to God Almighty.